Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily add a light leaks overlay to your videos in a CapCut Mobile. So this one is super easy because you don't need to add overlay. You don't need to download the light leaks overlay outside CapCut. So first just add your video that you want to edit and go to overlay. Click on add overlay and then go to the library. Here search for light leaks overlay, this one. Click on that and you'll see lots of light leaks overlay that you can use, but I'm going to just use this first. This one. Click on the video, click on add. Now adjust the size and just use the splice or blend to adjust the opacity of the light leaks. I'm going to use the filter one. Now just click on a check icon and this is the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.